Wanted to show you guys how to do our warm-ups. So you're going to start from the classwork tab. Now yours is just going to say warm-up slides 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to click on that. We're going to just go ahead and click view assignment. And you will come up with something that looks like this. It says, today we will complete slide 2 of the this or that warm-up. You only need to do one half of the slide, this or that. If you miss class, please watch the video. That's what I'm making right now for guided instruction on how to do this. We'll complete 3 of these this week. Slide 2 is today, slide 3 is Thursday, and slide 4 is Friday. Each slide is worth 5 points, so the 3 slides total to 15 points. So I repeat, if you were in class, you do not have to rewatch this unless you just need further explanation. All right, so let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the link. You're going to see a title slide first. We're going to go to this one. Now, here's what I want you to do. I want you to go ahead and we're going to click on the magnification glass. And we're going to go to 100%. And then you're going to click it off so you can type. If you keep it clicked, it'll keep going in. See? So I'm going to go back to 100%. Then I'm going to click it off. Now I should be able to type in here. So let's go ahead and go to the top and just look. Whoa, sorry. Actually, you know what? I'm going to go just for keep it at 50%. I'm going to go 50% just to be able to see this. Okay. So up here in this little black box is telling you what we're going to be talking about today, what we're going to be studying. So word meaning in context. So it says when readers encounter words they do not know, they can use context clues to help them determine the word's meaning. That means that they use words and phrases around the unknown word to help them find its meaning. Clues include examples, synonyms, and antonyms. Where synonyms mean words that mean the same, antonyms mean words that mean opposite around the unknown word. Example, the rotary phone is now obsolete. Everyone uses a cellular phone today or cell phone today. So obsolete means outdated. The mention of an old-fashioned device with a new device gives a clue to its meaning. So even if you didn't know necessarily what the word obsolete meant, you might be able to figure it out just by the words around it. All right, so I'm going to go back to 100%. All right, so for this, you have to do this or that. You don't have to do both sides. You pick one half of it to do. So this one, these are all nonsense words on the this. That sounds funny, huh? The this. And so you're going to try to figure out what the nonsense word could possibly mean by using context clues. You can even do context with nonsense words. So the lion growled and his molaracious teeth glimmered in the sun. So molaracious, and these lion teeth are glimmering. That just sounds to me like they're huge or sharp. I'm going to go ahead and go with huge. I think the molaracious might mean huge teeth. And again, this is a nonsense word, so you can't look these up. The smuppler slithered through the grass, rattling his tail. Well, a smuppler doesn't exist, but it sounds a lot like someone making up a word for a snake. My grocery cart knocked into the aisle and the cans came grushing down. So I'm going to think grushing. It sounds more like tumbling down. So that's what you're going to do for this side. Use these nonsense words, but use context to try to figure out what the word could possibly mean. For the that, let's move over here a little bit. So this one, you're going to use context clues to fill in the missing words or phrases in the paragraph. So for this one, it's a letter to Eliza. So this blank is to remind you. So maybe, would it be this letter, right? Because she's writing a letter. It's to remind you to get to blank early on Friday night because we're coming for blank at 7. So to get to bed early on Friday night because tomorrow, how about that? Oop. Make that just a wee bit bigger. Move that up just a little bit. If it's doing that to you, feel free to move up. There we go. Because tomorrow we're coming for you. Coming for you at 7. Be sure to pack your blank and blank for swimming. So maybe your swimsuit. Again, it's doing that thing. I'm going to move that up just a little bit. Be sure to pack your swimsuit. What else might you need for swimming? Maybe if you're little, you need floaties. Yeah, pack your swimsuit, your floaties for swimming. Could maybe like a life jacket too, although most of us don't wear those in swimming. Also bring a blank like cupcakes or brownies. So for me, that sounds like dessert. You could put snack too. So that's what we're going to do is we're going to finish up. And again, if the words are off, feel free to move them up to where they can be seen. If we can't see your words, then I can't really grade you. So you're going to do this or that. I see the swimsuit's now gotten covered up, so I'm going to move that out a little bit. Yeah, and it doesn't matter if you have to cover up the other words because I'm not grading the other words. I'm only grading your answer. So if you need to move it around a little bit where it can be seen, do that. But that is how we do this. So we fill in either this or that. And today, again, remember the lesson is all about word meaning in context. So using context clues. All right. So we're doing one of these today. We'll do one on Thursday and one on Friday. So we'll do 3 this week. I'll be going over each one each day. So I hope you guys have a great day.